Today we're going to continue on with the natural stone wall. In a previous episode we got the first course of this wall laid down. Get the board high enough so it overlaps the stones we laid previously. I double check it for strength. That sets the form for the next course of stone we're going to put on this wall. Once all the voids are adequately filled, we wash off any excess gravel. I'm always trying to cross the bridge of the join below, or cross the T is another way of putting it. This adds strength to the wall and creates a good visual pattern. This particular stone is kind of a feature stone. I just continue the same process of adding stones and backfilling them until we reach the top of this wall height. Once the form's filled with concrete, we just smooth it out as usual and let this set up and dry. This concludes the major part of the concrete step pour.
Lay your head upon my shoulder, shut off your thoughts and clear your mind.